In this video, we'll show you how to install our modular floating racking system. They are strong with a rating of 500 kilograms per bracket, lightweight, and offer tool-free installation. We supply different sizes and tiers of shelving, and they are all systematically installed the same, regardless of size. When your racking arrives flat-packed on a pallet, carefully remove all packaging. Remove the base strut and position it at the bottom of the shelving unit. This provides stability during installation. Next, carry the lightweight bracket sections into the container. Each bracket simply hooks directly onto the container's D-ring shackles. No drilling or fixings required. Once your brackets are secured, slide the pre-cut shelves into position. Repeat this process for each shelf to complete the set. The result is a strong, modular floating shelving system, ready for your tools, stock, or equipment. For more container solutions, contact Universal Containers or visit our website.